So in this video, one of the skills I want to teach you is how to measure distances in Google Earth. So right now we're in our Google Earth project, and you can see there's no way to measure distance here yet. So what we have to do in order to measure the distance of something is we have to jump out of the Google project format. So to go up here, I want you to go up to the top left-hand corner where you see the back arrow. Go ahead and click that. Now that starts jumping out right away. You can zoom back into wherever you were supposed to be. But now, once we jumped out of the Google Projects viewing angle, now you can see over on here on the left-hand side of your screen, we have all these tools. So on the very, very bottom, that's the little ruler. That's the distance measuring tool. So I'm going to click on that. That's going to bring up a little drop-down menu, and it says distance. And right now it's set to yards. It says 0 yards. Now you can change that. It doesn't have to be yards. It could be meters, inches, feet, whatever you want it to be. I'm going to change it to feet. And now you can see it brings up a little crosshairs. So let's say I wanted to measure how long is, or how wide is the playground here at Canal Landing Park. All I have to do is just click once with my mouse. That's going to leave a little dot right there. And then if I drag over with my mouse, I can measure the other side of the playground there and go ahead and click it one more time. And it gives me my distance, 98 feet. Now, you see when I move my mouse, it wants to extend the line and keep measuring. If I don't want that, if I just want that one single measurement, I can just hit enter on my keyboard, or I can come up over here with my mouse and click on done, and that will terminate the line and it will leave it as one distinct measurement. So it's 98 feet. Now again, I could change that into miles, 0.02 miles, right? Whatever I want. So that's how you measure linear distances. Now, what if I wanted to measure the area of something? Well, if I hit Start New from the top, I'll do that. That brings up my little crosshairs again. So let's say I wanted to measure the area of this little building right here. Not a problem. I would just go ahead and drop a dot right there with my tool. Drop another dot. Move down a little bit more, drop another dot. Move over a little bit more, drop another dot, and then as long as I go back to the original dot that I started with, like that, it will actually highlight that area and it will tell me what the area is of my shape that I outlined. All right, so it's 643 square feet. Now let's just do that a little bit randomly. So I'm just going to make some random shape here over in the grass. So it doesn't have to be a perfect square, right? It will highlight it, give me the area. And again, I can change the area to whatever I want. Right now it's square feet. I could do acres. And I hope that was helpful.